If you want to download and install ChatGPT app on your MacBook, I show you how you need to do. For now, I'm using MacBook Neo, but it's same for all model Mac. So the very first thing you need to do is first turn on the Wi-Fi and open the browser you usually use. I just open Safari. You can use any browser. Type ChatGPT, download, search, and here you can see this option, get the ChatGPT app. Click that. So here is the option. It's for Windows and this is for Mac. If your MacBook chip was Silicon, Apple Silicon, you need to download this software. If your Mac chip is Intel, you need to download this software. If you don't know, just click the Apple and about this Mac. Here you can see my MacBook name and chip, Apple A18 Pro. So it's an Apple chip. In case if it shows Intel, you need to download this software. For me it's Apple, so I just download the Apple Silicon, click allow, and that's it, it's done. Here you can see the download option, click that. Yeah, it shows the estimated time 10 minutes. It's downloading. It's 556 megabytes. Just wait until it's complete. Okay, now it's downloaded. You just double click that. Now move this into the folder. Drag and drop it. Just wait. Once you hear the sound, it's done. It's installed on your Mac. You just close everything. We don't need this anymore. So it's not an app, it's an installer. You need to click the apps right on the bottom. So here is the ChatGPT. I just open that and there you go. And first time only it will ask like this. Just click open. It's done. Sign into your ChatGPT account and that's it. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about ChatGPT, you need to watch this playlist.